Hey everyone, this is Davis here. Happy week 8. I wanted to reach out and go over the week with you a little bit just to see, give an overview of what is posted in Schoology right now. So the first activity that you're going to do is Moles and Voles, which is also a virtual lab. So make sure you're using that link and you watch the Zoom video that goes over the assignment and its requirements. Reach out if you have questions. And then that'll get submitted to the assignment in Schoology. Next, we have primary and secondary succession, which involves you taking a look at the presentation for that and taking notes on primary and secondary succession. And then there is an ed puzzle posted for primary succession that you'll complete, as well as a third assignment, which is a look at National Geographic and the benefits of wildfires. So once we have a wildfire sweep through an area, then we are going to have secondary succession follow because we haven't gotten rid of all the soil and everything yet. But we are going to have plant life grow back and renew based off of that disruption in the ecosystem. There are also two assignments posted at the bottom that aren't really assignments. They are review of previous assignments. So I talk about some common misconceptions from the Studying Population Dynamics worksheet, as well as some common misconceptions from the garden activity where you went outside in your neighborhood or in your backyard. And the main misconception there was what a habitat is. A habitat is not a place, it's characteristics that are specific to an organism. So everything that the organism needs to survive and thrive. And hopefully that will bring some clarity to that assignment as well. All right, as always, please reach out if you have any questions. I am here and happy to help. And please keep in mind that the marking period is going to be ending soon, and I will need all assignments by November 3rd in order to put them in the grade book and have them entered. But I will not take off points for late assignments this marking period as we adjust to cyber school, but I do require that they are all turned in by November 3rd. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.